Have you gotten bored with regular food? Let's experiment with snack size. Increase chips and reduce tacos. Bring giant popcorn to a movie theater and crunch mini nachos. Watch these and other recipes in our new video. Redhead is waiting for her friend. She must be having a snack somewhere. Then I will have a snack too. Here comes Dolly. She brings along a giant cup. These are huge peanuts. Has she actually increased them? Grind fried peanuts in a blender. Mix them with peanut butter. Make a big lump out of it and shape it into an oval so that it looks like a peanut. Make a few peanuts like this. Mix wasabi powder with salt and starch. Cover the peanut with this mixture nicely a few times. Let it dry. Coat the outside of a plastic bucket with black spray paint. Attach a big printed out label of the peanuts coated with wasabi. Put in the peanuts. This cute peanut looks like a dinosaur egg. A wasabi lover is going to hatch out of it. Dolly bites off the giant peanut. Mmm, tasty. Redhead dares to taste it too. Overall, it's not bad. Dolly is surrounded by snacks. Food is her BFF. Redhead wants to lure her friend out of the house. She has 2 movie tickets. Excellent! Let's get ready. Dolly prepares thoroughly so that she doesn't get hungry on her way to the movie. Flakes, fruit, a year's supply of carbs, and Oreo as a must. Where should she put a pear? Maybe Redhead can take it. But her friend is resolute. Leave it here. We have no extra tickets for food. In the movie theater, Dolly's stomach starts growling at once. This sound is louder than the Dolby Digital surround sound. I offer her my mini KFC chicken legs. Crush chips in fine crumbs, making breading. Put cheese into cubes and put them on top of the chips. Put everything into a microwave to make the cheese melt a little. Cover the warmed cheese with the chips breading and shape it into mini chicken legs. Tear apart a paper cup. Cut off a half of it. Glue a small bucket. Make a bottom. And paint the bucket red. Attach a small KFC label. Put the mini chicken legs into the bucket. These chicken legs are so tiny, it is hard to see them in darkness. This is not the best food for the movie. I will leave these babies for my friend. I am going to get something more impressive. All of a sudden, the floor starts shaking. It's 'cause Dolly brings out the heavy artillery, giant popcorn. Draw a template of one side of a popcorn box on paper. It should be 5 times bigger than the regular one. Make allowances for gluing. Bend the paper in half and cut it out. Make a semicircular patterned edge. Trace the template on cardboard. Draw lines and paint each other stripe red. Cut out the box and make one more identical detail. Fold up the allowances and join the 2 details to make a giant popcorn box. Use double-sided foam tape. Make a cardboard bottom. Print out a big popcorn label and attach it onto the box. Cook popcorn in a microwave by following the instructions. Fill the box with it. First thing that emerges from the darkness is a giant popcorn box, and Dolly's head can be seen behind it. This is the size she loves. If you don't like the movie, you can bomb everything around with the popcorn. Or you can share it with your friends.